Hello, welcome to Trading the Markets paid class edition. Unfortunately, I failed to record earlier when I had the class. So I'm going to make a real quick summary of everything I touched in class and make it as smooth and quickly as possible. So let's start off. I was talking about the trades that I took. Let's start there. So I've been doing this challenge where basically every day I trade, I don't hold anything. And basically, I'm just aiming for 20% per day. And every day I'm just gonna just compound that. So every day keep getting 20%. And it's crazy, like in 30 days, that can definitely rack up to a couple thousand if I do it right. And of course, with losses, I would just implement a 10 to 15% stop loss rule. That way, I would be all right. So let me show you guys my trades. So let me make sure I'm sharing my screen with you guys. All right. So you guys see on my screen right here. So right here, you can see I bought one contract for 160 and I sold it for 210. And notice that I bought it at Thursday at 9:52, sold it 3 minutes later at 9:55. So 31% in 3 minutes. It's like 10% a minute. But yeah, so mind you, it's $50, but I only put in 160. So in those same 3 minutes, if I had put a 1600, the profits would have been $500 in 3 minutes. So now the main thing is notice how like I got in right here, I got out right there. Like 3 minutes later, I got out. I didn't even care if it was gonna come back down, go back up. I didn't care. I just got out. As soon as the momentum was going, I just wanted to get out of there. And that's what I did. And I caught a nice scalp right there just off these three little candles. That's what I want you guys to show you guys. You don't have to work harder. You can work smarter. And then I did the same thing on Friday right here. This time I put in 167, $167, sold for 210, made 43 bucks. That's a 26% profit. And mind you, look, this one, I got rid of it even faster when I could have held on. And this was like within 11 minutes. So I could have held this on to make a lot more profits, but that's not what it's about. And even though like the first day I could have made 100%, I know I'm not gonna be like, oh man, why did I sell too early? Because that's the mentality that makes you greedy, that keeps you greedy for the next trade. And you don't want that. You want to keep a disciplined mind at all times. So those are the two trades. So now let's go into the chart so you guys can see like what I saw that day. Hold on, where's the charts? Give me a second. Make sure I open up the charts. Right here. All right. Make sure I'm sharing my screen. So right here, you'll see I have a number of positions that I took out, but basically before this day, because this was the day I got in, basically this blue line. So before this happened, if I go down to like, let's say like the 15-minute, I'll go down to the 15-minute. Oh, yeah, 15-minute. So this day, right? As soon as it broke above this blue line, no, actually this first blue line, because we were in this range right here, consolidated. As soon as we broke that consolidation, made an impulse move, my alarm went off. So I went in, and then before we even got all the way up to here, I got out. Before we even got up to here. Basically, the go to the, let's see, 5-minute, maybe I can show better. Let me see. Yeah, so maybe I go to 5-minute up 1 minute. So all right, I'll go to the 1 minute so I can show you guys. So basically, once we broke this blue line right here, that's when I entered and played it. Probably got up by like right here. I didn't even wait for it to come back down and keep going up. So I played it only from here to here on the 3 1-minute candles, and I was out. So that was a quick little scalp sniper snout right there. And that's basically what we're doing. But as you can see, that day, as y'all can see that day, the time on daily. All right, here we are. So notice this box right here. So because of this box right here, it's demand zone. So this is a area of consolidation where a huge move originated from. So I knew that the chances of if us coming back into this gray green box and bouncing were high, based off the strength from previous structure. So once we started to actually bounce, because we came back down, but once the bounce is official, especially with this big green candle right here, I know that from here we can target up here for the upside, the 390, 398, or even like conservatively 396. You know, so those are my targets, like 396, 398. And then if we break down and we break this blue line at 389, then I could definitely see 386, you know, definitely yeah, 386, or even potentially down to 385 to be plays. 387, 386 to 385 as potential plays. So that's why we're playing both sides, and I really want to watch how it reacts. So besides that, so now let's go into what I want you guys to do for homework. So what I want you guys to do is put in orders. So we're gonna play both sides of SPY, the 393 calls and the 380 the 386 puts. Was it the 386 puts and 393 calls. All right. So let me share this. So now we're on Thinkorswim. Notice this is the paper account. So on the other video after this, I go live on my live account, and I use on demand, which is a feature that allows me to use demo, but with market replay to go back in time. But this one is I can only play when the market is open, but it will, you know, be like I'm playing for real, but it's just a simulator. So now these are the orders. I already have them here. I want you guys to put them in. So it's the 393 call and the 386 put. So let me just show you guys how to put those in. Let me cancel these two orders and just redo them. So I gave you guys the parameters on SPY. So now we're gonna go to SPY. First, make sure you log into on your paper trading demo account. And then you're gonna put in this order, and then you're gonna put in market order. So as soon as the market opens on Monday, it should fill. So we're gonna go to the end of the week to Friday expiration, which is 5 days out, and we're gonna pick the calls and puts that I said. So the 393 call. So right here, you see it says 393. So on this side is calls, on that side is puts. So I go to 393, click on this, right click, buy, single. So now, right here, here's buy single, 10 contracts, change that to one. We're gonna buy one contract, 393 call, and we're gonna go to market order. So now it's gonna be a market order. So it's gonna get filled at whatever price, but right now it's going for 463, which is $463 for one contract. So send. Then we're gonna buy the other one, which is the 386 put. So notice they're on the same price. It's on this side, buy, single, and then we're gonna do the same thing, market order. And we're gonna make sure we only buy one contract with that as well. So we're gonna play both sides. So now confirm, send. So now we go to monitor, you go to your working orders right here. You should see one SPY, March 24th, 23 is 2023. And it's W's for weekly expiration, and then 386 is the strike price. It's a put. So if the market goes down, this will make money. And 393, that's the call. So if the market goes up towards that price, it'll make money. But if it goes opposite, obviously they'll make money. So there might be one loser and one winner at one time, but it can go both directions where they can both become winners. So I want you guys to watch this option, journal it, and let me know what you guys see. How did it move starting tomorrow, start throughout the week? So that way we can have something to really talk about as far as your trading experience. And I said for today, I made this one really short and sweet. I also did hop into these, if you guys want to, extra bonus. 43.5 call on United Airline, and the 42 put on United Airline. I basically did the same thing for United Airline, and I'm going to test that. But at the end of the day, I'm really just trying to hop into SPY. All right. So have a good Sunday, everybody. Good evening. Peace. And check out the second video where I go live and I trade on demand to practice when the market is closed. Peace.